Alright guys, day 2, Hobie Bass, open on Rayburn. Day 1 was a bust. Launched the first time out of a place off the highway. Got I think maybe 2 bites, and I think even a few of them were probably garfish probably. I had one good bass bite really, I can tell you that one. Just didn't quite take the bait, he just took the tail off my chatterbait. So So looking for the redemption, guys. I came here yesterday afternoon after about driving around for 2 hours trying to find a launch because pre-fishing, guys, it makes it a little rough. But found this place, caught a fish pretty quick. Then I caught 2 fish off of school. And I saw a lot more life over here, guys. Bait fish jumping, fish schooling. A little better cover that I like to fish a little more. A little better for shallow water too, so I can actually get up to the bank, because the place I was at, it's hard getting to the bank, guys. Those tree lines are really thick. If you got to the bank, you got to turn around and go back out because you couldn't get anywhere else once you got to the bank. So day 2, guys, hopefully we can make a move. Sitting like in 90th place, so only way I can go is up, guys. So hopefully we can make a few moves and get up there and just make a decent showing. So hopefully we see how it goes. Saw some grass back there. I want to go try around. Guys, there was one right there. Nothing huge, but hey, right there in the grass where I thought it would be. Actually 14 and a half. All right, guys, that's 3 fish for the day. Not much size though, 14 inches are my average right there. So, but that was the second fish, guys. He just kind of took the bait and kind of swam with it. Didn't really bite it really hard. First one hit pretty good, guys, but the last 2 have just been kind of just taking as they're swimming pretty much, and I just feel it stop spin. I just feel the chatterbait stop vibrating. And set the hook, guys, and they're there. So. And limits yesterday, guys, there was 88 people with limits yesterday. I was one of the like 30 that did not catch a limit. I did spend 2 hours driving around trying to find a second launch. Need to find some size though. If I can find some bigger fish. See now, I can see the actual dirt right there, so it's a nice little clean spot. You think it right there? This guy's been beat up. really schooling right here, guys. Where's the better fish? Stay down. Stay down. Whew, better fish. Big and that's big. I'm kind of beat up. Thicker bite, guys, but not longer. He's only 14 and 3/4. Definitely a little chunk. I definitely saw the thing hit the bait at the boat too, almost. So. Change up crankbaits a little bit, a little different action, more erratic action. I can definitely feel it a lot more. So we'll see if it entices some of these little schoolers a little more, and hopefully entice a little bigger bite too, possibly. I thought that was a better fish.